cut to cut at the time because my work timing is changed little bit. What that day leave in my daughter. I am woke up late in the morning and my whole day is going on the work, do the work, but I cannot deny my work and tasks.
Good, very nice.
Thank you.
Okay, who wants to speak next? Chirag, your 2 minutes are over now. Speak.
मैं ओके, मैंने सुबह से सुना दिया था, फिर भी एक बार सुना देता हूँ.
But
I
when
am
I didn't listen, what's the
okay.
point?
I am punctual because I do something or happening at the right time, and most time I am not proper activity at time and not listening working at time. That's it.
What does it mean? What did you just say? क्या
ये
मतलब है इसका?
हिंदी में बताऊँ?
हम्म,
बहुत कभी वक्त में मैं अपना एक्टिविटी नहीं कर पाता, मतलब टाइम की जगह जिस टाइम में जो करना है वो छोड़ के मैं कुछ और कर देता हूँ.
हम्म. Okay,
That's
so okay, ठीक है. Yes, who wants to speak next about punctuality? And my question was, are you punctual? क्या आप लोग punctual हैं? You can even talk about activities you used to do, like when you were student or when you used to work. अगर आप कभी job किया करते थे, were you punctual at that time? Did you used to reach your school on time?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, talk about those activities. When I was a kid, I used to go to school. I always reached on time.
I always on beat time when I teach when I was teaching in the school, and I completed my task, and
I dedicatedly completed my task.
I dedicatedly complete my task, and along I entertain with my kids. Uh, then, when I talk about my activities, the kept aside. I kept aside. I
I
don't.
kept aside. Kept aside what?
मतलब मैं साइड में उसको रख देती थी, मैं नहीं कर पाती थी, एक्टिविटी के लिए टाइम नहीं होता था.
Okay, okay. I used to keep it aside. ठीक है.
हाँ. That's okay, ma'am.
Hmm. Yes, Alina, would you speak?
Punctuality is the most important for in jobs, and I want to be always punctual all the time, but sometimes I'm not I would not able to punctual on time. So and I used to go to school when, so I always punctual.
So I am always punctual.
I am always punctual.
You can even talk about your routine that I have a fixed time. I wake up at 7 only or at 6 only.
Uh,
मेरा हमेशा एक फिक्स टाइम रहता है उठने का, खाने का, सोने का. I never get late than my time.
Ma'am, I think punctuality is not important for only for job. Punctuality is must for everyone.
Everyone and everywhere.
Everywhere, yes.
Hmm. Hmm.
बस I want to
Yes.
say only.
Okay. So punctuality is not just that you have to be punctual when you are at your workplace or you are at your home. Punctuality is seen everywhere. हर जगह देखी जाती है. Isn't it, Fahad? Alina, do you want to speak?
That's it.
Okay. Neha, Ritu, Chirag, Fahad, any of you can speak. Just raise your hand. You have the option of raising your hand. Raise your hand and then speak.
Like
Yes,
me.
Ritu. Yes, Ritu. Ritu always raises hand. Yeah, Ritu.
Uh, yeah, ma'am. When I am, I was, sorry, I am a student.
Mhm. When I was a student,
I was a student, and I am very punctual.
I
My
was.
I was very punctual in my work, and I was going to time school and tuitions and studying very well, and my lunch time, my dinner time, and my breakfast time is fixed that time, and very punctual in my life, and I was very responsible, but but nowadays nowadays also I am responsible, but sometimes when weekends my daughters leave and my sorry my husband leave, uh, my work is delay, and
My
ev-
work, my work is delayed.
I work is delayed.
Hmm.
I work delay, and my family is not sleeping at the time. Uh, they sleep late in the night. My daughter also, uh, she means doing activities, some funs, and watching TVs, and means she is very naughty, and
Hmm.
uh, then I means sleep in the night at very late in the night,
Hmm.
and woke up late in the morning, and my work is delay whole day, and I am doing whole day work, and yeah, I am enjoying leave.
Okay, it means that you need to manage your time, Aditi.
Come again, ma'am.
You need to manage your time. Time
Yeah,
management. Ah.
yeah, and but uh, weekday weekday I woke up early in the morning because my daughter's class in the morning, and I means woke up to her, and
I I wake her up. I
I
wake
wake
her up.
her up for in the early morning, and prepare to her, and my house activities, my works starting in the morning, and making some breakfast, dinner, or lunch, and clean the house, and other activities, and I have to means I give to time for
I have
me.
to I have to take out time for myself.
Yeah, I have to take off time myself for myself,
Hmm.
studying, but sometimes I have no time, uh, but in the evening I was free when I am studying, and I am giving the time in the language of English language, and I am uh, help of my daughter with.
I am also assisting my daughter.
I am also
Assisting ing.
assisting and teaching to her,
Hmm.
and
By teaching her, by teaching her.
teaching her, and yeah, but that's it.
Hmm. Okay. Yes. Who else wants to speak? Come on. Come up with your thoughts.
मैं
Chirag?
सुनाता हूँ थोड़ा सा।
Yes. Yes.
जब मैं स्कूल में था तो
Is this Hindi class, Chirag?
नो When
Then,
I was I was in school,
huh,
I complete every schoolwork, school activity, participate. When I went to home, then listen everything to my mom and everywhere. Then now I my routine is भूल
hmm.
गया क्या बोलना था.
Mm-hmm.
Then my routine is
My routine
disturbed was was spoiled.
मेरा रूटीन डिस्टर्ब हो जाता था.
हाँ
My
हो गया.
routine used to get disturbed.
गेट डिस्टर्ब अब के टाइम में हो गया. जब मैं स्कूल था तो मैं हर एक्टिविटी पंचुअल था, बट अब जो हूँ मैं एक्टिविटी
Now I am not punctual.
now I am not punctual
I am
and
not organized.
I am not do any work on time.
Hmm, hmm. I have become
Laziness,
lazy. I have become
laziness.
lazy.
I have become lazy.
Hmm.
That's it.
Okay, good. Yes, Fahad, do you want to speak?
Ma'am, give us some time.
Okay, sure. You have taken much time, no? It is 3:28.
Suddenly, I do some urgent work.
You've gone for, okay. You've gone for urgent work. Neha, would you like to speak about punctuality?
Yeah, ma'am. Um, I am very punctual. I'm always punctual and does every work at the right time. I am a regular punctual in my work, but weekend I am not so much punctual in my whole day.
On
In
weekends. On weekends.
sorry, ma'am. Yeah,
On.
in
On.
weekend. Okay.
On.
In weekdays, I am trying to be punctual in my routine. That's it, ma'am.
जब आप वीकेंड्स की बात करते हो, वीकेंड पर मैं ऐसा करती हूँ, तो आप वहां पर ऑन लगाते हो. ठीक है, ऑन वीकेंड आई डू दिस एंड दैट. ऑन प्रीपोजिशन, इन नहीं लगाना. ठीक.
Ma'am. Okay.
Ma'am,
यस अलीना.
ma'am, my routine is very punctual nowadays because this is a month of Ramzan. So I wake up in 3 o'clock and I read namaz, and after that prepare um, I prepare for a lunch. No, lunch. No, I forgot name.
आई प्रिपेयर फॉर.
Uh, Sehri, sorry. Huh. I prepared sehri food. Then I ate food, and after that I read namaz, and after that I sleep. I'm going. No, I was to going sleeping. I was to going sleeping, and after that I wake up again. 12 o'clock, 12 p.m. Uh, After that, I again read namaz, and after that, my English class was starting, so I taking
इंग्लिश. इंग्लिश का स्टार्ट्स.
starts. So I take I was मैम उसमें बोलेंगे ना इसको भी I was taken English
क्या
class.
बोला? आई टेक इंग्लिश क्लास. मैं
Okay.
लेती हूँ.
Okay, I take English class.
Hmm.
Uh, so after that, I again read namaz at 5 o'clock. Then after that, I prepared. I was me. I help my mom for iftar food. So at 7 at 6 6:30 me 6:45
Hmm.
I close my roza. I close my roza
I
fast.
close.
I close my roza fast.
मैं खोलती हूँ. I break my
Yes.
fast.
Break.
Hmm.
Okay. I break my fast,
Hmm.
and after that I read namaz.
Hmm.
7 o'clock, and after that I take dinner, and after that I read namaz again. 9 o'clock. So at night I feel I'm going to sleeping. Then again routine is start. So nowadays my routine is very punctual.
Yes, I am very punctual about my routine.
I'm very punctual about my routine. That's it.
Good. Very nice.
Ma'am,
Very
I
nice.
have a doubt.
Yes,
Your recording is starting now.
I know. The class is. Why do you
Oh,
have why do you have to mention that? Yes, it
oh.
is recording. ठीक है.
Ma'am, Chirag is
Yes.
noticed very well every activity.
Sorry, what Ritu?
Ma'am, Chirag is noticed every activity.
Yes, he is noticing even the minute things happening in the class.
Yes, ma'am.
Yesterday only, I guess he asked something. What it was, I forgot, but it was so hilarious.
In story about
Yeah,
monkey.
Yeah.
about yes, yes. Chirag noticed
Monkey,
what
Vanda,
nobody of us could notice.
Ma'am, Chirag is very sharp-minded.
Yes, because he is young. अभी young है, छोटा है.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, that is means childish behavior in my side also when I am a student.
When I was a student,
When I was a student.
I was okay. I used to behave like a kid.
Yes, ma'am.
I think Chirag is getting hopeless. You are recording.
Is it Chirag? You're getting hopeless.
No, ma'am, no. I'm not hopeless. I am exciting.
Okay, so Chirag is excited. No matter
Yes,
what is happening, I'm very much excited. I have to answer, right? Yeah, because it is a normal class only.
I know. Recording होके भी क्या होगा?
Okay, fine. ठीक है, आगे बढ़ते हैं. Now, क्या पंक्चुअलिटी का मतलब यही है कि हम अपना काम टाइम से करें एंड दैट्स इट? क्या पंक्चुअलिटी का मतलब ये नहीं है कि हम दूसरों को भी टाइम से इन्फॉर्म करें? It means if we haven't done anything for the day, if we could not meet someone, if we could not complete our task, shouldn't we inform the concerned person on time? क्या हमें उस concerned person को time पे inform नहीं करना चाहिए? क्या वो punctuality में ऐड नहीं आता?
Yes, ma'am. It is.
Yes, Riddhi.
यस मैम, ये पंचुअलिटी में ही आता है. इट कम्स इन पंचुअलिटी.
It is a part of punctuality. Yes. You need to show punctuality everywhere. It's not just about yourself. When you are engaged in someone's task or you're involved with others in certain activities, then again, there also you need to show punctuality. Right, Ritu?
Yes, ma'am.
How? Give me one example.
Ma'am, tomorrow is a class,
Hmm.
and you want to means you have to uh, before day
Hmm.
you
You should.
you should send the message.
Huh.
That is
Yes.
a punctuality.
Right. Right. If
मैम
tomorrow
मैम
there is
इसमें
no class. Yes,
ये
Alina.
भी यूज कर सकते हैं ना, कीप इन द लूप जो आपने फ्रेसेस कराए थे।
Yes. Yes. Yes.
हम्म।
To keep me in the loop. To keep me informed. Good. Very nice, Alina. So we should always keep the other person in the loop. We should always inform the other person because he is concerned too. अगर आप छुट्टी ले रहे हो या मैं छुट्टी ले रही हूँ, I am on leave, or if someday you are on leave, then you are supposed to inform me for the same, and I am supposed to inform you again. That is again a part of punctuality, so that the other person's task does not get delayed, right? दूसरे का काम ना hamper हो. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am. Right, ma'am.
Fahad, are you facing network issues?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can I leave the class?
Yes, yes, sure, no problem.
मैम
Thank you, ma'am.
दूसरे के काम ना डिले हो, इसका इंग्लिश क्या बताया?
So that others task does not may not get delayed. May कर दो. May not get delayed. Does mean may not
अदर
get
अदर्स टास्क मे नॉट गेट डिले।
delayed. Apostrophe s others में. किसी दूसरे का task delay नहीं होता. May not get delayed.
मतलब लेट हो जाना, काम उसका काम लेट हो रहा है, ये इट्स बीन डिले।
Yes, because the other person has scheduled his task. He has scheduled all his important meetings, and you have not informed. It is going to hamper him somewhere or the other. कहीं ना कहीं उसको hamper करेगा, right? Hamper, hinder, ये सब क्या words होते हैं? Hamper, hinder की बाधा डालना, hamper करना, बाधा डालना, affect करना किसी के काम को, impact
एंड
करना.
मैम बैरियर?
बैरियर होता है जैसे जो एक एक्सटर्नल फैक्टर है, तो हम कर रहे हैं उस चीज को, हैम्पर कर रहे हैं, ठीक है. बैरियर यहाँ पर वर्ब की तरह नहीं, बल्कि एक नाउन की तरह यूज कर सकते हैं कि ये मेरे काम के बीच में बैरियर बन गया, ठीक है. सो दिस पर्टिकुलर थिंग इज अ बैरियर. लेट्स सपोज कि नेटवर्क मेरे लिए बैरियर बन गया है, ठीक है, कि ये मेरे काम को हैम्पर कर रहा है. So this is the reason. Barrier is the reason. It is a name of something. It is a name of that reason. ठीक है?
ओके ओके ओके, ठीक है.
Okay, so this is it about the topic punctuality. Anybody else wants to say something? Neha, Chirag, Alina, anything else? No? Shall we move ahead then?
No, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So let's revise the phrases we have done so far. What were those phrases? As Alina reminded us, one of those. Keep me in the loop. What does that mean? To keep someone in loop.
काउच पोटैटो.
Couch potato, yes. Who is a couch potato?
आई एम नॉट.
स्टिल एक जगह बैठ रहा है.
Yeah, someone who is idle, he has nothing to do, he sits in the same place and he keeps on watching TV. जो इंसान एक जगह बैठ के टीवी में घुसा रहता है, उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? Couch potato.
काउच पोटैटो.
So Chirag, I guess you are a couch potato,
आई थिंक
How?
सो.
right?
यू टेल अस हाउ.
You need to give us the reason how.
Oh, I don't know.
Ask me in return, ma'am. How do you think that I'm a couch potato? How do you think?
Okay. How do you think I am couch potato?
I get that feeling.
Oh, Nice.
Yes. Okay, and the next phrase?
मैम अगेन
Go
आप बता
Dutch.
सकते हैं? मैम
Ali.
एक्चुअली
Yes, Alina.
मैम आप बता सकते हैं दोबारा मेरी क्लास वो हो गई थी मतलब
Huh. We are discussing the phrases we have done, like
ओके
couch potato, keep me in the loop, and what were the other phrases?
Call it a day.
Yes.
Lighten up.
Call it a day, lighten up.
I'll be down.
Hmm.
Throw in the towel.
Hmm.
Hop in.
Hop in. Yes.
I'll be down. I'll be down.
Hmm. Good. Give me one sentence with each phrase. Everybody. Starting with couch potato. It's the simplest one.
मैम काउच पोटैटो मीन्स नहीं पता क्योंकि मेरे ये फ्रेजेस कंप्लीट नहीं हुए थे
Okay.
Go
So,
Dutch.
When 2020 match start, Chirag become couch potato, ma'am.
हाँ. Chirag becomes couch potato. So couch
Go
potato का
Dutch.
meaning है Alina. Couch potato means just a minute Chirag. Couch potato means जब आप टीवी के आगे अड़े बैठे रहते होते हैं, ठीक है, टीवी में ही आप घुसे रहते हैं, उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? काउच पोटैटो.
मैम किसी के पीछे पड़ जाना, मतलब किसी के पीछे पड़ जाना, जैसे कि आज हम चिराग को बहुत खींच रहे हैं, तो अगर इसको बोले कि आज तो हम इसको चिराग को पकड़ लिया है, इसके पीछे पड़ गए हैं, तो इसे इंग्लिश में कैसे बोलेंगे?
सो आज हम कह सकते हैं दैट वी आर आफ्टर चिराग टुडे एंड वी आर पुलिंग हिज लेग. सो रिद्धि
Bullying.
पुलिंग
Bully.
पुलिंग.
Bully.
बुलिंग इज डिफरेंट. बुली अलग
चिढ़ाना,
चीज होती
बुली
है.
चिढ़ाना.
लाइक
पुलिंग
पुलिंग
लेग,
मतलब टांग खींचना.
टांग खींचना. हाँ.
चिढ़ाना, यस.
चिराग की टांग खिंचाई हो रही है. Yes,
We
couch
are
potato.
after the
Couch
Chirag.
potato is done. Then next is throw in
Go
the towel.
Dutch.
Okay,
नहीं,
go
Go
Dutch.
Dutch.
Go Dutch. Okay, go Dutch. Go Dutch. Let's go Dutch.
ये मेरे को आता है ना इसलिए. Every
मैम
person pay for themselves.
Chirag,
Equal.
Chirag, you can also be a little practical. I mean, class में ही उस चीज को बना सकते हो. कैसे?
Okay.
That, okay, so we are going for the
Or
party today.
we all are going to party. Then all paying for Go Dutch.
No. All will go Dutch.
Oh, all will go Dutch.
मैम गुड डच मीन्स
Go Dutch means जब हम किसी चीज के लिए equally pay करते हैं.
इक्वली पे.
हाँ, equally pay करना. To pay equally.
ओके जैसे हम
To
साथ
pay.
में मिलके कुछ चीज ले रहे हैं तो इक्वली पे कर रहे हैं.
Yes. कहीं खा रहे हैं तो equally pay कर रहे हैं.
यस
Individually pay कर रहे हैं.
Let's hop in a car and go Dutch for party.
Okay, let's hop in the car and go Dutch for the party. Wonderful, Niti. Yes,
When you
Ritu.
will go to the shopping, keep me in the loop.
Very nice. Okay, I'll keep you in the loop, Ritu.
Lighten up.
Yeah.
Because we
Your
are going for party.
We'll plan.
lighten
Yes.
up.
Yes, Chirag. Lighten up means?
Your now CBSE board has declaration 10th class was extended.
Okay.
if you
Then
planning if you planning for go outside so I will be down.
If you're planning to go outside, I'll be down. Yeah, Chirag, complete your sentence. What were you saying?
so
No, we are not planning for outside. It's coronavirus, so don't get overwhelmed.
Good.
Many times in my life, I am so in the towel. So in the towel.
Many times in my life, I have thrown
I
in
have
the towel.
so in the
I
towel.
have.
I have.
Chirag का sentence रह गया है. Chirag, now. Chirag,
Yes, ma'am.
Chirag.
Government has announced the declaration 10th class student. Oh, government has declaration uh, student of 10th class was passed the 10th class without any paper. So then you lighten up.
Okay, now here, see, the CBSE board declared that 10th class students will not have to appear for exam. Will not have to appear for exam. They will qualify their.
Oh, yeah.
They will
Qualify.
qualify. They will qualify their 10th. So the government, so the CBSE board lightened up us. Lightened,
हाँ आप खुश हो जाओ.
lightened us
Yes,
up.
ma'am.
ठीक है? ईडी लग जाएगा. Lightened us up. Yes. Any other?
Is it true news? Ma'am, is it true news for
I
10th class?
I'm not sure about it. I haven't heard it yet.
Okay.
मैम इंटरनल के ऊपर पास कर देंगे.
Okay. Let's see, but it is not confirmed.
My
Yes,
my
Alina. Alina, there is noise from your background. Yeah,
my
who wants to speak?
my work call it a day.
Come again, Ritu.
My work call it a day.
My work call it a day. No. Complete the sentence. It is incomplete. I have done my work. Let's call it a day.
Yeah.
Ma'am, today I am not attending the class, so keep me in the loop.
Okay, sure. Good.
Sentence है ma'am.
I got it. Sentence. Good.
Ma'am, I am very exhausted, so call it a day.
I'm very exhausted, so let's call it a day. Good.
And let me in the loop.
And keep me in the loop.
Oh, sorry. And keep me in the loop.
Good. Very nice.
Hope me in the car. We are going to market.
Hope in the car. We are going to the market. Good.
Ma'am, what this means? Throw in the towel.
Throw in the towel means to give up. Give up.
Give up. Okay. Or ma'am, call it a day.
It means
Call it a day.
to end the task, to end the work, to end the day.
Okay, and that. Okay.
I will arrange a party in the evening. Every person go Dutch.
I'll arrange a party in the evening, but every person has to go Dutch.
Has
Go
Dutch money.
has to go Dutch bus. Any other?
No, ma'am.
Lighten up. Alina, Ritu, Riddhi, lighten up.
अब खुश हो जाओ.
Lighten up.
Yes, I lighten up when I hear you cleared the exam 10th class without giving exam, without give no without give the exam,
Without giving exam.
without giving exam. I'm so glad for you. So I'm lighten up.
Yes.
I will have lighten up when I have learn English.
I will lighten up. I will lighten up when I've learned English.
Then I have learned English. Then I
Don't be sad. I have something surprise for you. Lighten up.
Lighten up. Okay, good.
Alina, it's me, for me.
Yes.
Okay, I'm waiting.
मैम यहाँ पे tremendously यूज कर सकते हैं.
ट्रेमेंडसली, हाँ, कैसे यूज करोगे?
इट्स मतलब जैसे इन्होंने बोला है कि वो सरप्राइज है, तो मैं ये कहना चाह रही थी कि आई एम सो एक्साइटेड फॉर दिस, तो मैं ये कहना चाह रही हूँ कि इट्स tremendously फॉर
इट्स
दिस.
ट्रेमेंडस, ट्रेमेंडस।
ट्रिमेंडसली ट्रिमेंडस फॉर दिस.
यस, आई एम नॉट ट्रेमेंडस मतलब ये बात बहुत अच्छी है, बहुत शानदार है, या ये काम बहुत शानदार है, तो आप बोल सकते हो इट इज ट्रेमेंडस।
Ma'am,
इट इज ट्रिमेंडस.
can you write on message?
यस यस यस, दैट विल आई विल टेल ट्रेमेंडस।
And ma'am, I am down in the party,
आई एम डाउन फॉर द पार्टी।
for the party.
पार्टी के लिए, जहां पर भी के लिए वाला सेंस हो किसी चीज के लिए, तो फॉर लगाना है।
बट मैम इसका मीनिंग क्या होगा? आई एम डाउन फॉर द पार्टी, मैं पार्टी के लिए
रेडी हूँ, आई एम रेडी फॉर द पार्टी।
रेडी फॉर द पार्टी। मैम, आई एम डाउन इसका यूज मैंने कुछ अलग तरीके से भी सुना है.
लाइक,
आई विल सेंड यू.
ओके, आई गॉट इट,
ओके.
दैट्स अ डिफरेंट मीनिंग।
यस.
आई ऑल्सो गॉट इट.
मैम, जिसको फ्रेजेस नहीं आते होंगे वो तो यही समझेगा। जो उनका दूसरा मीनिंग मैं भी समझ गई, तो
हाँ, ऐसा भी हो सकता है। तो आप इसके लिए एक एक अलग फ्रेज भी यूज कर सकते हो, आई एम इन, आई एम इन, आई
I am
एम
in.
इन, सिंपल एज दैट।
दैट्स बेटर. आई एम इन.
आई एम इन, आई एम इन फॉर द पार्टी, इट मीन्स मैं भी रेडी हूँ पार्टी के लिए, मैं भी आ रहा हूँ।